see how half of it's covered? That's for better aerodynamics. Take a look at this. In future, it's all about luxury. Instead of having to dive into the boot and pull your luggage out, it gets delivered to you on the side at hand height. Pull that off. Look at this. Even the Rolls-Royce badge on the luggage is weighted. Stays upright. Just like on the wheels. Alright, let's see the interior. This is so cool, guys. Look at this. You've got this red light running along the bottom of the step, and that projects a red carpet all the way out here. So when you enter your car, you walk on a red carpet. Your Rolls-Royce branded umbrella. Alright, inside, this is actually a heated compartment to dry your umbrellas faster. And then you literally walk into the car. You don't have to duck because of course that's not very luxurious. That's what they're aiming for. No steering wheel. This car is fully autonomous. Now what you could say is Rolls-Royce has been from the very beginning an autonomous car because they were made to be chauffeur driven. So you were always kind of hanging back here in luxury and comfort. Look, you've got silk pillows, a silk lounge chair here in the back. You've got hand woven woolen carpet. It's all going to be controlled with artificial intelligence. Take a look at it.
Hello, I'm Eleanor.
Oh, hi.
The Rolls-Royce Spirit of Ecstasy. I know from your diary that you are due to attend a rather special charity auction in aid of the Governor's Foundation.
Take a look at the shape here. It looks like a yacht. They're owning that. Kind of like a catamaran here. Here is fully open on the side for better aerodynamics and see all the way through. These floating taillights here, look at the carbon fibre detailing with the Rolls-Royce badge behind the glass. Shall we go?